Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Conducting a compliance test involves a series of steps designed to ensure that processes, products, or services meet specified regulations. Begin with identifying the applicable regulatory requirements that pertain to your business or product. Next, develop or update your compliance framework to align with these requirements. Then, audit your current operations against this framework to identify discrepancies. Address these findings with corrective actions. Finally, document everything from your compliance policies to audit results and corrective measures taken. Regularly review and update your compliance processes to stay in line with evolving regulations.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.